All you need to do to get this working is tell Surfly which elements you would like to mask. The web pages get their layout from something called CSS, and every element has some CSS properties that can be used to identify it. We need to tell Surfly how to find the element with CSS. So I'll show you quickly how to get the CSS that you need to provide to Surfly to mask the element. So first, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Right click anywhere and click Inspect. So from here, you'll open the developer console, make sure you've got elements selected, and then click on this icon in the top left here. And this will allow you to drag your mouse across the screen and select the element that you want to mask. Once you've found your element, open the developer console, right click, click copy, and click copy selector. This is the piece of text that you need to provide to Surfly. So save this somewhere, and if you need to find more selectors, do the same thing again, find your element, right click, copy, copy selector. Save these in a text file somewhere, and then we'll move over to Surfly and show you how to input these values. So over in Surfly, click Settings, click Options, and click Session Functionality. Then you can scroll down until you find a config called Hide Element by Selector. So this is where you need to put the values you just copied. You can copy and paste them here. So put in one, make sure that the next one you put in is separated with a comma, and you can add as many as you need to. The CSS selectors that I have here are quite short. They're just single words. They won't always look like this. Sometimes they could be quite a long string of text. It doesn't matter. Whatever it looks like, just follow the same process and it will work. Now you can see what this looks like in a session. You can see the customer view on the left. As I type things into these boxes, you can see they're not visible to the agent whose view is on the right. They have been masked. It's as simple as that. Some websites may use dynamic IDs, which just means that the name they give to the element in CSS might always be changing. So in this scenario, we can still do masking if we use class. So many elements have a class, not all of them, and you can find it in much the same way. So I'll quickly show you how to do that now. If we're finding the class, we do all the same things. And here in the page HTML, we look for class equals, and this will be the class name. So copy this and save it in your clipboard. And then if we go back to the Surfly dashboard, you can see how to add a class. It's much the same. You paste them in, but in this instance, we need to put a dot in front of the value to let Surfly know that it's looking at a class value. And then click save, and now the class will be masked. So that's element masking. If you have any questions, please visit help.surfly.com and take a look at our masking page. Otherwise, thank you.